For now, if they catch me, if I get like 30,000 or 35,000, they'll go fit give me nana. But if the machine reach to their office, they'll go fit collect like 70,000, 100,000. It depends how your bike be. If na new one, some people they collect, then go fit collect 200,000 self. If na new one, but if say na old one like this my own, they go fit collect 50,000 or 60,000 or 70,000 up like that. Sometimes they don't go fit give you again. You don't go see the bike again for a day. It depends. Sometimes they go disturb people go fit get like 3,000. But fuel now, before fuel now 1,000 we go fit use and work. But now we go fit buy fuel like 5,000. But that 5,000 now you go highest you go get 10,000. If you come out again, see children, people there for our people there for village, our parents, we they support them. Some our brothers for school, for this Okada, we they support them and the rest of them. This thing is too much, man. But me, this protest, I like this protest. Me, I'm from Plateau State. Our governor is doing well, honestly. His name is Caleb Mutfwang. My own governor is doing well. It's okay. But this one, man, for this Abuja now, things too hard. Things too hard. Peaceful protests, I support it. Because people are suffering well. Like this fuel, make fuel there like 300 or 250 like that. It's okay like that. This one is good though, but make them try to do something. Because the thing is too much. Honestly, make them do the protest because people are suffering. Make them just rebate me, the one way me I like. Peaceful protest. Peaceful protest. If they will feel solve their problem, it's okay now. But if they can feel not solve their problem, let them do the protest. Yes.